Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the Creative Marketing Mom. I am excited for this quick tip I'm going to show you. So I'm in the stages of finishing up my sales page for the Creative Marketing Maven coaching program. And I just wanted to show you how to make this a beautiful mobile website header thing in Canva. So what I've done is I've taken a Instagram size. If you look right here, you'll see that right now it's the Instagram post square, and it actually turns out to be pretty perfect for mobile screens. And so one of the tips I have that I want to share today is not only the size that you can use, but how to blur it. So in this particular one, it is my face, so it's probably not ideal to blur, but I will show you why you should blur it. So when you create anything, we'll use this, and you want it to be a background with words in front. If you want to, and if you can, my suggestion would be to blur it so that our eyes, whoever's looking at it, the user can focus on the words and it's not as difficult to see. So I also suggest an overlay if you're doing words, which is just a color on top of it. But all you have to do is make sure it's an image. You select the image, click Edit Photo, and then click Blur. Now it's going to always start at 50. You do not need to have it that blurred. You can start at 0 and then just go up just a little bit until you're happy with that blur. So even this would probably be beneficial just so that they can focus, the depth perception and things, they can focus on the words. So here is my mobile site before blurring. And yeah, you can see my face, but it's kind of hard to read this text just as it is. Now we're going to download that. So we're going to click over here to share, click download. I'm going to use PNG, and I don't want all 3 pages. I just want the blurred picture of me. I'm going to download it. Make sure you don't have transparent background, I think. Well, it should matter if the picture is the whole canvas. Now, all I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here. Now, this is a block where this is Elementor, and I clicked the little guy here, which brings up the menu for this whole thing. And then I go to Style, and you'll see it has an image for the background. And I'm just going to select that and upload this one. So I'm just going to click and drag it. All right. So I'm going to select that image and come over here to select. And now you'll see that it's nicely blurred. I might even blur it a little bit more than that. I'm not sure yet because you want them to be able to see this. Now, what I could do is come over here and bold it, put it in bold. And I might even change the font so it's a little bit thicker, but that does help people see font here. And I like to keep it around 16 to 18. We're talking about, I might even do 18 when we're talking about the font size, because you have to remember it can be really tricky to see on big screens. So even 20 might be good for this. And then I might move this up some. But as you can see, that's how you can make it a little bit easier for your users to be able to focus and not have to not focus on the background. It really does help when you're using a photo background, when you're doing words on top. So that is it. That is my quick tip to making this much more visible. I will see you guys in the next video.